What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to go over the choose function. If you've been liking this and the function breakdowns, hit that subscribe button. We'll keep doing them. Alright, the choose function lets you pick an action based on a choice. And that's probably an odd way to explain it. It didn't make sense to me at first, but let's go down here. Let's say we want to get a total for these days. Maybe we didn't have this total column. This is just to verify. So let's pretend this doesn't exist. We're here. We have a sum, but we want to sum things based on choice. So we want a total that's flexible. Maybe we want day 2's total. That's 16 items. We highlight this, 16. If we want to go to day 4, oh, I made a list. There you go, day 4. And you can do this on a drop-down list, a typed-in number, whatever you want. So right here, day 4, 33. 33. Great. So let's go over how it works. First thing we'll do equals, we want a sum, but we want a flexible number, a flexible amount. Choose, so we want a sum based on choice, and what's the value? We want to do it on this, so whatever that is, and it'll correspond to the different days we have based on the ranges we specify. So we do that, we hit F4 so it stays consistent, and what's value 1? So if there's a 1 in here, what do we want it to sum? There's a 1, we want it to sum those. Value 2, if there's a 2, we want day 2, pick that. Value 3, day 3, 4, 4, and 5. There it is. Close it up. Close the parentheses for the sum, hit enter. And if we go to 5, of course, always make sure you've got your list set up. But we'll unhide this. The only reason we did that, just for a check. 5, if we go to the first day, 35, and 2. Now we're going to do it with a little more complex example. We can throw in some averages, sums, and these are just to verify again. So right here, we have this, our day. We want the third day, for example. Maybe we just want to see how many microchips we had on days 1 through 5. So all we do here equals choose. We're going to pick this. That's an index number, so whenever it's the third value. And then value 1, we want to be day 1. Click there. Value 2, boom, 3, there it is, 4, and 5. Pretty straightforward. Close it up. If we change this to a 4, we should get 43. We change this to a 5, 82, and so on. And monitors, it works the exact same way. You see this one? We looked at this day. That's our index number, and then our criteria right there. And it's in the microchips. Here it's monitors, same thing. Average. So we'll do this. We want to see the average sold. We don't care if it's a microchip or monitor. How many sales did we have on average? Equals average. Choose. Index number. We'll choose this for the day. Value 1, day 1. Just highlight them both. Value 2, day 2, value 3, day 3, and so on and so on. Close them up. There it is. And if we go to 4, 46.655, and there it is. Sum, we'll do the same thing again, just to show you can go vertically and horizontally. Sum, choose, pick our reference, and we want to average, or we want to get a total of those for the first item, second day, third day, fourth day, and fifth day. Close them both up. Day 4, 9311. There it is. Day 1, 3255. There it is. Alright, that's been the choose function and a couple of different uses for it. Again, hit that subscribe button if it's been helpful. Thanks. See you next time.